home loan experts at Quicken Loans fully understand the HARP guidelines.
Okay, 2 error codes on this Ford counter. O2 sensor is bad, so this is the replacement I got. It's that part number, and I will double check to make sure that it has the same connector. This is the connector. Okay, this is the O2 sensor. They look the same, so this would most likely go in. Well, let's try it. Yep, it's gonna go in. So the O2 sensor is located on the exhaust under the vehicle, so I'm gonna have to climb under the vehicle. I'll go under the vehicle and check it out. Under the vehicle at this point, just to give you reference, this is the oil filter. The target O2 sensor will be this one right here. I'm gonna remove it. This is the I pulled out the connector earlier, and we're gonna remove that. I think that I won't be able to turn the wrench or the socket freely with that oil filter on it, so I'm gonna remove the oil filter. Okay, so now the oil filter is out. I have more room to maneuver a wrench or the socket. I have this O2 sensor tool, or I have a number 23 wrench. So I'm gonna try them both. I'm gonna try the wrench first, this guy. Okay, there's the bad boy, and we're gonna replace it with this guy, the Bosch. Okay.